Hey everyone! Welcome to the ultimate guide to personal finance education. My name is Lily, and in this video, I'll be sharing some of the most important personal finance tips and tricks that every high school student should know. Managing your money wisely now will set you up for financial success in the future. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Key points. 1. Learn how to budget. Budgeting is essential to get a handle on your spending and saving. Use apps like Mint or spreadsheets to track your income and expenses. Identify needs versus wants and reduce unnecessary spending. Set savings goals like an emergency fund. 2. Understand taxes and how to file. As a teenager with a job, you'll need to file taxes. Learn how federal and state income taxes work, what tax deductions you can take, and how to file your own simple tax return. 3. Open a savings and checking account. Look for free student checking and savings accounts from banks. These let you deposit paychecks, withdraw cash, pay bills, and earn a bit of interest. 4. Build your credit history. Applying for a student credit card with parental permission can help you build credit. Use it responsibly by paying the monthly bill in full. Good credit will help you get loans down the line. 5. Explore investing options. Investing early helps your money grow. Learn about stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and other investments. Open a custodial investment account with parental help. Start with small amounts and build up. 6. Apply for scholarships. There are tons of scholarship opportunities out there. Make scholarships part of your college funding strategy. Apply to as many as you can and get free money for your education. 7. Find a side hustle. Earning extra money with a side gig like tutoring, dog walking, or babysitting allows you to have extra cash for savings and investments. There you have it, 7 of the most important personal finance tips for high school students to set you up for a bright financial future. Applying what you learned in this video will pay off tremendously down the road. So be sure to budget wisely, understand taxes, build credit, explore smart investments, apply for scholarships, and consider a side hustle. Your future self would thank you.